Hello folks and welcome to elimination time. I just want to get this over with, so... Now just for today, I just want to say that today's challenge is that there is a dark criminal lurking in this world. Whoever kills him wins the challenge.
Yay! I'm not dead! Anyways... Huh? No!
Granddad, I gotta help.
You guys win! Oh wait, I almost forgot!
I am the
Cattle, Mugman. Mugman, cattle. Cattle, Mugman.
The sauce.
Please, I just want to get back in! Just leave me back in! Just please!
Beautiful morning.
March 14th.
Wow! Maybe they really did see me dancing and I didn't know it.
Yeah, I will be able to vote for one of these fellas to join the game in a poll, so, wait for the poll. Yeah.